Innovation or desperation? Pakistan's cooking gas dilemma. Pakistan is facing a severe economic crisis, with widespread shortages of essential goods and services, including cooking gas. In the northwest Khyber Pakhtunkhwa province, some residents have turned to a dangerous and unconventional solution: storing the gas in large plastic bags. The bags are filled with natural gas from the main pipeline network and sealed with a nozzle and valve, and are used with the help of an electric pump. While this may seem like a creative and resourceful solution, the use of these bags carries a significant risk of explosion, making it a dangerous and unreliable way to store and use gas for cooking. The high cost of traditional gas cylinders, which now cost around 10,000 rupees, approximately $65, has left many residents with no other choice but to resort to this dangerous method. As a result, people are taking significant risks in order to meet their basic needs for cooking fuel. The root causes of Pakistan's economic crisis are complex and multifaceted, but it is clear that mismanagement and corruption have played a significant role. For years, Pakistan has prioritized military and security spending, including efforts to spread terrorism and capture Kashmir, over other important priorities such as economic development and the well-being of its citizens. This focus on military and security spending, combined with rampant corruption and a reliance on external aid, has contributed to the country's current economic struggles. The situation in Pakistan is a clear example of the consequences of poor governance and a lack of focus on the needs of the people. It is imperative that the government and other authorities take steps to address these issues and work to find solutions to the shortages and challenges facing the country. This will require responsible and effective leadership, as well as a renewed focus on the development and well-being of the country as a whole. Only by addressing these issues and working to build a more stable and prosperous future for all of its citizens can Pakistan hope to overcome its current challenges and move forward.